up 11, dig it. This is a wicked sound from the planet E. Shocking, I would like to take you on a trip. Come on along now and listen to our tunes. Just sit back as we go zoom, zoom, zoom. Well, who is she and what's the trouble? Who is the girl that... Hey guys, welcome to Frank's Tech Help. Today we're going to be taking a look at the WLToys Vortex. And this particular model is the A979-B. Flip it to the side of the box here. And as you can see, they have a lot of various models, 949, 959, 969, 979, and then variations of that beyond that. And this is the one we're going to be unboxing today. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing, a little review, let you see the outside of the box there, kind of what it looks like. And for the sake of this video, I went ahead and took off the security straps and actually put batteries in the unit. So we'll go ahead and take this out and let you take a look at it here. So inside the box, it doesn't want to come apart very easily. And I had to tear all this out of place here. Remote control. And you can get to the actual bottom of it. Like I said, this thing was really kind of a pain in the butt to take out. It was wedged in there pretty good. Down the bottom of the unit, got an instruction manual and a lug nut tool for the tires there. So we're going to go ahead and put all this aside for the moment. Alright, so it does have an extra box here, which is the charging unit. Power adapter. Let's see what we've got in here. Alright, so here's the balance charger for the battery unit. The AC adapter plug on the side there, and apparently mine came with the European standard, but it does have an adapter that plugs onto the end of it. And that's going to be kind of a chunky thing sticking out of your wall like that. I actually have another unit that I'll be using. And the base of the remote control uses 4 AA batteries. Pop that back into place. So you have your power switch. You can see the indicator showing that it's not currently connected to anything. And you have your steering wheel, left, right, forward, reverse, antenna there. And then you have your steering trim, which normally they have a little knob that you turn to adjust it. This is kind of a push button deal here. And then you also have your throttle trim. You want to set it forward or back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the truck. Pretty nice. Now this is rated supposedly at 70 kilometers per hour or around 43 miles per hour. This is supposed to be one of the fastest ones as far as standard models go on the market right now. We'll go ahead and pop the top off here and take a look under the hood. Little cotter pins holding it together. Pop the top off there. And so here's what we have looking underneath the hood. And cable sticking out there, antenna right there. Now, if you notice on the front of the box in the beginning it said RTR, which is ready to run, and some of these listed online for sale don't actually come with the battery. This one did. I didn't expect it to have the battery. The one when I purchased it, I thought that it said battery not included. However, it did actually come with the battery. So it just straps into place here with a little piece of Velcro and kind of pops in like that. And so you've got the Dean's T connector there, and then your standard balance charger plug for that. So, and I did go ahead and fully charge this battery for the demonstration purposes here. So that basically just Velcros down. You tighten it down like that. Get it in nice and tight like that. Here's a little tip I'll give you. Didn't take long to figure this out. These cords all like stick out to the side right there, and if you just leave them out like that, they're probably going to get caught up in the tires. So if you lift the Velcro up just a little bit here and pull this under and then plug this unit in like so, and then pull the Velcro back down, wrap this around like that, then you can actually keep the cable out of the way, keep it from getting caught up into anything there. So, and the on and off switch is right here. Switch the unit on, and then there's a LED light blinking on the side right there, as you can see. I'll show you the shock system. It's got pretty good shocks there. Metal as opposed to plastic on this. And to be honest with you, the plastic here looks a tad bit thin. And the same on the front as far as the design. See if I can get that in the picture there. So if you hit things really hard with this, I don't know how well this is going to hold out. I guess we'll see. But this is, for the speed factor, this is more of kind of a street racer in a sense, as opposed to straight up off-road. So I'm going to go ahead and get the clips put back in here, and we'll take it outside and do a little demonstration here. So for the first test, I'm going to do a straight up gravel run, and let's see how this performs. I gotta say right off the bat, this has got a ton of power. It's probably one of the most powerful RC vehicles I've ever driven. It's very quick and easy to get out of control. Oh man, it's spitting gravel everywhere. So for this part of the video, we're just gonna do a straight up and down street run as fast as it can go. Oh! Let's take another run here. See if we can get a little wheelie action going. Oh, and it's over. So let's try this again, man. This thing is so powerful, it's very hard to control. You gotta start off slow and build speed. If you just take straight off, it's not gonna happen. You're just gonna flip it. So here we go again. Ah, damn it. So one thing I'll tell you about this vehicle is that has really good range on it, but at the same time, if you get too far away and you flip it, you're gonna do some walking. So let's do a terrain test, get it in the yard now. Doesn't like that too well, it's stuck. Okay guys, so here we are back inside from our road testing. As you can see, this unit is extremely fast. It's got really good range. However, if you're downrange, as you saw in the video, and you flip it, you're going to do a lot of walking. Ideally, it would be a good idea to put on some like dragster, you know, stabilizer bars, some kind of a stabilizer bar with a wheel on the back, preferably like 2 coming off the back. That way when it takes off and does a wheelie, it actually stays upright, because this thing will flip in 2 seconds. And as you can see, even after driving it for the first time, get this in there, the cover of it's fairly mangled up. I've already lost a cotter pin. It's trying to come apart right there. One of the cotter pins flew out. See the bottom of it there. And also the motor side right here was extremely hot even just after driving it for a few minutes, but it does have that, I think it's a 540 motor in there. Pretty strong, and so So I'm going to take off the other cotter pins here, take a look inside after the fact. And as you saw in the video, it didn't drive through grass worth of crud, unfortunately. So playing in the gravel's fine, playing on the pavement's fine. There's what we got underneath after initial driving, hitting it through the grass. You got stuck in the grass almost immediately. Of course, you can see there's not much ground clearance here. Now, I previously did a review on the HBX Dune Thunder 12891, so I'm just going to do a quick comparison between those two for you guys. So here they are next to each other, if I can get this in the video properly there. So for the WLToys Vortex A979-B, super fast, small, compact. This thing will book, okay? On the HBX Dune Thunder 12891, you have a lot more clearance. This is more for off-roading right here. You got a lot more clearance off the ground, great shocks as far as that goes. You can see the difference between the two here. Try to keep that lid on there. So just in general, you have a lot more ground clearance under the base of that. And this one has good shocks, but if you see, shocks can bottom out completely. If I can get this at the right angle here. So these shocks, when this tire goes down like that, it can actually almost bottom out completely as far as that goes. Let's see the one on the other side. See how it's almost disappearing there. Now when you're up to speed, these tires do flex out, and this thing will run really, really fast. Just as you saw in the demonstration video there. So anyway, there you have it, my review on the WLToys Vortex A979-B. Hope this video helped you out in some form or fashion, and as always, comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching Frank's Tech Help. Peace.
The planet is when I would like to take you on a trip. Come on along now and listen to our tunes. Just sit back as we go zoom zoom zoom.